Oh, good evening, usually. The time is like 5:30. We're going to film the trains at Wembley Central Station. Want to get into the video? Welcome to the vlog. You coming? Harry?
What?
You ready?
Yes. Well, actually not quite.
Continue shortly. Right, come on. Now just going into Wembley Central Station, guys. After being stuck outside for a few minutes, I've had some issues with this phone. We're just going into the station now. Got stuck for the barriers. Why is it doing that?
Slip in there and just reach out over the thing and touch the yellow meter.
Okay.
Well, hold on, don't. Oh, thank you.
Yeah, it's coming in a few minutes.
What, sorry, can you let my friend in, please? Oh, try that one. Wait, not yet, it's red. Wait, reach over. Wait. Try it again. No, wait, try that one. Try the other one. Wait, try getting your freedom pass out. Wait, pass it here.
What are you doing? Stop.
I'm trying to let my friend through.
What's going on?
It won't scan my friend's pass.
Right, let me see what it is.
It's a freedom pass.
Let me see it. No,
It's in date. Now just going on to platform 1. I think a train might. I think a train might have just come. Well, we might have just missed one, you know. Oh, it looks like we just missed one.
We haven't.
Are you sure?
We're on platform 1 now.
We're on the northbound platform.
What's going on? Well, it looks like it's coming in 2 minutes. Bakerloo line.
Yeah.
To Harrow.
And Willstone. Yeah, Harry said that the Bakerloo line will come in about 1 minute now, so we'll continue shortly. Incoming now is Bakerloo line service going to Harrow Willstone.
Standing at platform 1 is the London Underground service to Harrow and Wealdstone, calling at all stations to Harrow and Wealdstone.
Just waiting for the train to leave. Continue. Oh, it's ready to depart. Off it continues their journey to Harrow and Willstone. Off it goes up the track. minutes. Something like that. Where's this fallen off to? Clapham Junction?
It says it's going to Clapham Junction.
Sick.
And the one coming in now.
The train now approaching platform 2 is the 80. Minus the gap between the train and
Incoming. We've got a London Overground service stopping here.
And it's off to
It's going to Euston.
Euston, yeah. Off goes the Overground service to Euston.
Please do walking and washing your hands frequently and using our hand sanitizers before and after travel. Thank you.
The next train to arrive at platform 19 London Overground, service to Watford Junction, calling at all stations to Watford Junction.
Where's the other one? Oh, there it is. I can see the other one up the track. There, in the distance.
Down the track.
Up the
Well,
track.
It's coming up the track.
It's coming down the... Yeah, it's up the track, but it's coming down the track, yeah.
Watford Junction, calling at all stations to Watford Junction. Marks the gap between the train and the platform. Calling at all stations to Elephant and Castle.
Oh, there's the liner.
Well, it's moving slowly.
Yeah, in the distance, I'm assuming. As you can faintly hear, the Overground train doors are
The train now
opening.
standing at platform 1 is the 1819 London Overground, service to Watford Junction, calling at all
on.
stations to Watford Junction.
You're right, it's moving fairly slowly tonight. Snail trail. Yeah. I think the Overground train is going. Oh crap. As we're doing this, the Overground train continues their journey to Watford Junction. And at the same time, we've got you just heard a Bakerloo line train going to Elephant and Castle, and the Crate line is still next to us, is still going slowly in the distance. Here comes the Bakerloo line service now.
The train now standing at platform 2 is the London Underground, service to Elephant and Castle, calling at all stations to Elephant and Castle.
Customer information. Please ensure you wear your face covering over your nose and mouth at all times within the station and on the train. It's there to protect us from side extensions.
Hello, Jacob.
Hello.
What's got a spark? Another one.
And the Crate line is still there in the
Freightliner train is still there.
in the distance. It's just about behind, well, going behind the Bakerloo line. You can see one of the crates over there, vaguely up. Oh, it's gone now.
The next train to arrive at platform 1 is the London Underground, service to Harrow and Wealdstone, calling at all stations to Harrow and Wealdstone.
Right, we're now just going on to platform 2, southbound branch.
The train now approaching platform 1 is the London Underground,
Right, turn around.
service to Harrow and Wealdstone, calling at all stations to Harrow and Wealdstone.
Yeah, this train's coming 1 minute early, guys. Harrow and Wealdstone. Open these doors. I've noticed this with the Bakerloo line, that they don't all open their doors at once. So look, they're out of alignment. So they all don't close at the same time, like the Northern or Piccadilly line.
Off goes the Harrow train.
Yeah, it's Harrow and Wealdstone on the Bakerloo line service. Off it goes. Oh, we got a spark. Where's your spark, mate? Oh, and another one as it's going. Oh, and a third and a fourth. It's like a sort of red signal, so we're going to go on to platform 2.
Didn't realise that she may have done the lesson.
Platform 2 and 3. Just walking down to the platform now. That was quite fast. Harry, I got that train that just whizzed past in the gap on camera. Oh, you got it too? Oh, it doesn't matter. Continue shortly. We've got a Thameslink service, yeah. No idea what that's going to. Oh, looks like it's going to the left of the track. Probably to Cambridge or Welling Garden City or wherever.
No, it's going.
Incoming now, we've got a London Overground service. So, just missed the announcement going to London Euston. Oh, it stopped quite a bit too soon. Just open these doors. The London Euston Overground service is getting ready to leave. London Euston.
Is the London Underground, service to Harrow.
Well, at the same time, we've got a Bakerloo line service going to Harrow and Willstone. Which will open these doors on the other side. Continue shortly. Off goes the Bakerloo line service to Harrow and Willstone. Oh, we got a spark. Right. And another one. 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Service to Elephant and Castle, calling at all stations to Elephant and Castle.
Oh, there was like 9 sparks there. And incoming a few seconds later, we've got a Bakerloo line service going to Elephant and Castle.
The battery's dead. The battery's dead.
Oh. Okay guys, this is going to be our last train. Unfortunately Harry's battery's died, so
I can't do the ending.
I'll share it with you. We'll do it together once I film this one leave. So as you can see guys, the doors don't close again, it's the right alignment. Off goes this one to Elephant and Castle. And as this one leaves,
We're going to wrap up.
yeah, so please don't forget to on the post notifications, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and like Harry briefly said, the next station will be Stonebridge Park. So we'll see you soon and do that ASAP. Alright, good night.